Friends, welcome in this simple tutorial of Sketchware. In this tutorial, I will show you that how to create Google Translator app in Sketchware. So at first, I am making the app name Google Translator. Here you see, here is our view, and here what we have to do at first is to set a component intent I. Now we have to set a linear here height match parent. Now set a button here and set the linear one basic gravity center. Now set the button text start and set the text size 50 sp, and here the background color I am giving indigo, and here the button color I am giving yellow, and here the text color I am giving white. Okay, now let's start. We have to create another view, trans, with only the status bar, orientation both, keyboard setting unspecified. Okay, now on the first view button one click, intent set screen start activity, trans activity start screen start activity intent. Now on the trans activity we have to give a web view here. Now on activity create, set here web view load URL. I am setting a URL here. You have to set this URL. You can get this URL on the description. Now we have to set a toast here. Please stay connected to the internet. Now give here on back pressed. Thank you, and create a component, timer. Two thousand 1500 milliseconds, that means 1.5 seconds. Okay, Now I am running the app. I am installing the app. Just wait a while. Now I am turning on my Wi-Fi and now tapping on this button. Here you see, here we can translate our texts, our languages. So please subscribe my channel to get outstanding Sketchware tutorials and see our other tutorials. Thank you.